Yes, cheers to all sport lovers and the dedicated pundits of the beautiful game. How are you? I hope you are all doing well and staying safe. I have a good news to share with you, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. But before we proceed with this story, I would like to take this chance to express my word of gratitude for your unwavering support throughout my journey. Your cheers and encouragement mean the world to me. So, if you visit us for the first time and maybe you want to get all news information, you can subscribe and smash the bell icon. As we know, Mamelodi Sundowns still proceeding with the 2025-2026 with different competitions like the Betway Premiership so far, Nedbank Cup, and the prestigious CAF Champions League. But according to different information circulating on different social media platforms, that Mamelodi Sundowns are about to sign the new head coach for the present season, for the remaining season of 2025-2026, following bad performance shown by the Portuguese football manager Miguel Cardoso. And now they target to sign the somebody known as Surprise Moriri, who was born on March 20, 1980 in Mabindi, Mpumalanga, who is a South Africa former professional player who used to play as a midfielder or striker. He also represented South Africa as international amidst the 34 caps during his time with the South African national team from 2003 to 2010. Also, he was a former player of Mamelodi Sundowns from 2016 and different teams like Highlands Park as well as Silver Star, and he has been linked heavily with a move to Mamelodi Sundowns. First of all, as they think he will be a perfect addition to their already formidable squad capable of competing effectively in different competitions. Second, as they believe South Africa coach are the one who know well the nature of Mamelodi Sundowns football club, and they can help them to lift up several titles. We know last season Mamelodi Sundowns only lifted up Betway Premiership. They failed to lift M1080. Nedbank Cup was lifted by Kaizer Chief, if I'm not mistaken, and Colin Okot Cup was lifted by Mages FC.